Seems like the sun will shine again. See, we never could predict. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how I lay down this wig using just edge control and mousse. You don't necessarily need to have a got to be glue or got to be spray to lay down your edges or your wig if you don't have one. For the fact you have an edge control and the mousse, you can actually lay down your wig. But for a longer hold, I would recommend got to be glue or spray, whichever one you can lay your hands on, because it lasts for a longer time compared to edge control or mousse. So if you don't have got to be, or you don't have edge control, you don't have got to be spray, rather, you can use your edge control or your mousse and it works perfectly fine. I actually laid this wig using edge control and mousse, and my wig is actually laid and been me for a while. So if you don't have got to be, you can always work your way out with edge control or mousse. So guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you two things rather. This wig was actually a kinky coil wig. I wanted a kinky coil wig, and when I finished making the kinky coil, I found that it was too bulky and too full, and if I should put it on I would look like a clown. I do like full wigs, but at the same time I don't want it to be too bulky. Okay, so I actually thought I should straighten this wig and work with it. But what I wanted was a kinky coil. But when I ventilated it and as well finished making the wig, I found out that it was too bulky. Okay, so the length of this wig when I did the kinky coil was actually 26 inches, and when I straightened it, it became 29 inches. Okay, so that is how long it is. So I'll be sharing with you guys how I actually straightened it, and at the same time how I laid down the edges. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Catherine Edit. If you are already in the family, welcome back again. Okay, so don't forget again guys to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and please hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video from me, and I'll be sure to give your comments if you like this video. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's jump into the video. So guys, I used one big coniculon hair to make the kinky coil. The closure was 5 times 5. You can see how bulky it is. I'll go ahead and show you guys how I straightened it with a flat iron using above oil sheen as a heat protectant. So I'm going to be showing you guys that, but not all, because it is a long process. Then after that I'll go ahead and change the elastic strap. So I'll just allow you guys watch through.
Audio Jungle.